My name is Jenny Rathbone. I'm the Assembly Member for Cardiff Central, and I'd like to encourage all of my constituents and everybody in Wales to turn their lights out at 8:30 on Saturday, March the 23rd. This is to demonstrate to all of us the importance that we attach to electricity, and also to make us think very hard about how we use our energy and the ways in which we're going to generate energy in the future as gas and more traditional ways of generating electricity are running out. Obviously I would like to see a much bigger investment in solar energy, because those of us with south-facing roofs all have the ability to be a mini power station. Wind energy is very good in a collective environment, much more difficult to do individually, but just simply insulating your loft is the simplest way of ensuring that you're not burning money through very high electricity and gas bills.